it's super important to vision your dreams, envision your goals. And this last weekend, I worked a lot, but I also talked and visioned and manifested my goals a lot more than usual. And I truly find it super important. And look, don't get me wrong. Visioning and talking about your goals is not actually working and taking actions towards your goals, but truly, it definitely helps give you a better blueprint, a better guideline on what it is. And it's probably just a simple fact of, you want a dream car, right? Besides watching videos and like looking at your dream car and kind of looking in a perception of, oh, that's a dream car, like that's a beautiful car that I can achieve. It's like, truly look at, like, pretend that it's at your fingertips. Like, if you're gonna watch a video about your car, pretend like you're looking at the car because it's like you want to buy it right now. Like, you're looking to buy it right now. You have the money and you're just looking to buy which one. Or just a simple fact of going on the internet, checking which model you want, going on the website, checking the prices, checking the specs, all the customizations that you would like to do. Like, yes, this takes time, but just that extra 30 minutes, it's like now I know. It's not just, let's say I want a Porsche. Now it's, I want a Porsche GT3 RS matte black with a red interior. It costs around $300,000. Let's say $312 to be specific. So now it's like you have a goal. It's like, well, I gotta make $312,000 to get that car. It's more definite. It's more like to fully grasp. And even when you're out and about, you're trying to surround yourself with this, with higher successful people or luxury, and maybe you might come across a very nice car on the street. Look, I'm not saying to go set the alarm off, but like, just go touch it. Maybe like if the guy's not there, if it's parked, no one's there, just touch it. Just like put your hand, like softly and gently, just put your hand and then leave. Like don't do dirty it, don't do it scratch or anything. But just, it's the idea of you touching it, and it's no longer in your head. It's now in physical reality. You're touching it. It's real. And also, for me, I know that it's gonna be a big few months for me, and I know that it's just truly implemented in my brain. It's a feeling that I have that these next few months are huge because now I'm free. I'm no longer in school. My part-time job is useless, and I'm going to be traveling a lot. I have 2 big trips, Italy and Hawaii, planned. And I'm going to live the life, even if I don't have the exact money that I want. I'm still going to live the life that I always wanted. And now no longer will it be in my head. Like just a few months ago when I was in school, I wish I could wake up and just work on the things I love to do and have no stress about going to school or doing this. That came true. Now the next step for me is to now have that freedom to be able to travel, and it's going to become true. Even though I may not have $1 million in the bank account, even though I might not have even $100,000 in the bank account or even $50,000 in the bank account, I'm still going to travel and rent cars, look at beautiful views, work abroad, and it still is giving me that taste of this is my life now. It's no longer a vision. It's no longer manifestation. I'm going to be living my manifestation. It's going to be so different, and it's going to boost everything. I do know that I truly believe that I'll find something to work. I'll have a store that's generating some income by that time. But even if not, that is probably going to be... First of all, I take that back. I know I'm going to have something working by that time. And I do know that after those trips, I'm going to come back and it will just boost everything else. Because it's like, this is my... It's like... It's not exactly how I envisioned it, you know? A lot of people, including me when I first started, I envisioned it as like kind of like an overnight success, really. Where it's like, I find something that's generating me so much money at like in a short period of time, and then I can start traveling luxurious right away. But it's what I've noticed, it's a kind of gradual, slow, step-by-step process. And yeah, even though that I may not have like all the money in the world, I'm still going to be living the dream life that myself and probably a lot of you out there have. And I'm just super, super excited. I truly believe that it's just unfolding. And within the next few months to a year, everything's going to just flip. Everything's going to change. I'm very, very excited. And I just think that, trust me, our limiting beliefs is what kills us. Our dreams are not that far away. They're so not far away. I always thought that in order for me to be traveling without any school or any job, I needed so much. I needed to accomplish so much. But you don't. I haven't accomplished much compared to myself a year ago. I have, like, in physical reality, according to money and success, I haven't accomplished that much. I have a few accomplishes for sure, but it wasn't like crazy. The key factor was for me to just take the risk. I could have done what I'm about to do in the next few months. A year ago, 2 years ago, I was just scared. I thought that I thought my life would have been over if I dropped out of school and nothing. But it's like, I could have done it. Your dreams, you know, it's seriously not that far away. It's seriously not that far away. And I'm just now excited to get a step closer. And instead of envisioning my goals, I'm going to live it. I'm going to live the manifestation itself. You know, I'm going to rent a nice supercar. I'm going to rent a nice car when I go to these trips. I know it's rented, but I'm living it. I can, I can actually drive it. I can drive it on my own and in a country by myself with no restrictions. And I'm gonna be driving it for those few days. And those few days, I'm gonna be living the thing that I can buy. I can own this one day, and I will own this one day. But instead of just visioning in my head, it's there in reality. It's gonna unlock a part of my brain where it's like, this shit, it's not a joke. It's not a dream. It's really here. And I think there's a lot of tricks and ways to manifest and vision your dreams. I just think that, please, it truly is such a huge difference when you just act it out. Act it out. Pretend like it's already here. Your brain doesn't know a joke. Pretend like it's already here, whatever your goals are. And it'll come. I'm very excited. I'm very, very, very excited. This will be good. Thank you for watching. I'll keep you updated. And I'll see you at the top.